In this video, you'll learn how to edit your personal address in Mailchimp. This process is essential for ensuring that your contact information is accurate and up to date. Follow these steps carefully to make the necessary changes. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Enter the URL in your web browser, which will take you to the Mailchimp homepage. Once the page loads, you will see various options displayed prominently on your screen. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. After clicking login, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Ensure that you have your login credentials ready. Once you enter this information, click on the login button to access your Mailchimp account. If you encounter any issues, verify that your internet connection is stable and that you are using the correct login details. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. This is your central hub for all activities related to your account. From here, locate and click on your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the profile settings page where you can manage your account details. After the page loads, look for the settings option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This will lead you to more detailed settings for your account. After that, you will see a section labeled Contact Information. Click on this to access your current address details. On this page, you may find your existing address displayed. To modify your address, locate the section labeled Primary Account Contact and click on it. This will allow you to make changes to your main contact information. Once this appears, look for the Edit button, typically found next to your address. Click on this button to enable editing mode. You can now enter your new personal address in the provided fields. Ensure that you double check the new address for accuracy, as incorrect information can lead to communication issues. Finally, after entering your new personal address, locate the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click on Save to confirm your changes. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your address has been successfully updated. Make sure to verify that the new address reflects correctly on the page before you exit. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.